Dad, why does your headlamps look brand new?
Yeah, I maintain the headlamp by myself, so it always clear and shiny. It helps you when you go out at the night. You wanna know how to clean the lamp?
Yes.
Okay, I'll show you. First, we need soap, water, microfiber,
And a scrubber.
And the key, socket 10 mm, and of course, because I like eating, I'm not forget use the chopstick. I'll show you how you use chopstick in the car. Okay, I already opened from
grill?
inside the grill, so it just
Wood.
pull. Okay, and we must
It.
unplug the wire, cable, unplug, and the lamp itself, you must okay, you can put the lamp there. And one more, you must release the side corner lamp. Okay, from here you can take it out and the lamp. Okay, now we are going to uninstall. Just unscrew all. For you must open one, two, see. One more in here. It's hard. Okay. You just pull it out. Okay. Here you go. This is the headlamp. The original, it has an yellow
Tint?
inside the cover. Why? To make the light slightly yellow to help you at the night. But if you already clean it up, it was mess. Because like a thin film. So when you clean it up, it will be disappear. First, the soap. Yeah, just a little. It's enough. And you put the water inside it. Make sure the sealer of the headlamp still work. If not working anymore, you must reseal. The microfiber, you just put it inside the headlamp. You can use your finger or
Chopsticks.
the chopstick. Yeah, you just stir like you make a noodle, an indomie, to every side. Soak it for a little while.
Yep. Forgot to put it the tube.
Oh, you see,
Oh.
it's a little bit dirty. You can see. You can see. Even it looks shiny. To the corner. Don't worry, because this is from metal and the outside of the headlamp is
Glass.
made of glass, not like a new one. It's from plastic or
Acrylic.
yeah, acrylic, whatever. It's not an glass.
You spilled some.
Yeah, it's so though. You see, it's dark. Can you see?
Yeah.
Okay,
Dark.
we usually in at the bottom because the dirt will move to the bottom. Okay, after that, this is you use the chopstick just like that. Oh, you see the water is so dirt. Okay, take a look. Okay,
Yes.
we spill it out though. You can see this is the yellow thin film. It's okay that
It was gone.
yeah, you don't use anymore. We clean it up. And for the outside,
Scrub.
little bit scrubbing in here. You first
Give it soap.
take little bit soap and just make a circle at the top, side,
Bottom.
and the bottom. After you just okay,
Bottom a bit.
yeah,
Oh, it has
it's
in the inside.
yeah. You see, you feel, you can feel it's smooth surface. You see, this is the yellow thin film that I mentioned before. Can you see this one? Okay, and after we clean up the outside, we rinse the
Inside.
inside. You don't need any money, you just need your power. This water comes from the
AC.
air conditioner. I put the water from air conditioner
into
the
containers.
containers. Okay,
Like what?
you see,
What?
you just look, this different from before.
I don't even need a flashlight.
You can see. Okay, you just shake it so the soap is gone with the water.
Also, the water that comes from the AC was also used in watering plants.
Yeah. One more. You're just using 5 liters of water, and your headlamps will shine like a brand new one. See? This is the original headlamp. You can see the part number. Okay, that's it.
Thank you for
We
watching.
will wait until it dry. You just put like this
And wait.
until it dry by itself. You put it like this. So you don't need any tools except the chalk and
Chopsticks.
a chopstick.
Wait, a pair of them.
Yeah, chopstick always a pair. You cannot use single chopstick for eating. It's not make sense.
Unless it's a pie.
Yeah. Since I hold the chopstick, my stomach is going hungry. Let's we eat first, then we finish to install again. But the tutorial of the cleaning the headlamps
It's finished.
is finished.
So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.